Emotional distance is one of the most confusing experiences in a relationship. You may still care deeply and yet feel far apart. That is what we are going to talk about in this lesson. Feeling distant does not mean the relationship is broken. It usually means connection has not been maintained during stress or routine. Distance is common and it is repairable. Here is the truth. Emotional connection doesn't disappear suddenly. It fades gradually when small moments of connection are missed. Strong couples notice this early and respond intentionally. Here is why this matters. When distance is misunderstood, couples get panic. They either withdraw further or push for closeness too quickly. Both slow reconnection. Many couples believe if we feel distant, we need a big conversation. But emotional connection is rarely rebuilt through intensity. It is rebuilt through safety and consistency. If you have ever tried to force closeness and feel it backfire, that reaction makes sense. Yes, that makes sense. Pressure often feels unsafe to someone who already feels distant, even when intentions are good. Here is a common mistake. Couples try to fix a distance by demanding reassurance. Why don't you feel close? Are you okay? Those questions increase tension. Here is a principle strong couples to follow. They used to follow. Connection returns when safety returns first. Not pressure, not interrogation. Safety. Think of emotional connection like trust. You don't rebuild it with intensity. You rebuild it with small, reliable experiences that feel safe. Connection works the same way. There is one habit that restores connection more than any other. It is consistent, low pressure presence. Consistent, low pressure presence. Not big gestures, small moments. Low pressure connection looks like this: sitting nearby without any expectation, sharing something neutral, checking in without needing a response. These moments rebuild safety. That safety rebuilds connection. When someone feels distant, they are often protecting themselves. Protection doesn't disappear when pushed. It softens when it feels safe. Strong couples respect this. Here is what slows risk connection. Pressure, urgency, keeping score. Even subtle expectations can feel overwhelming. Patience matters here. If distance exists right now, try this. Choose one small, consistent action that signals safety. Then repeat it without checking results. Consistency speaks louder than questions. Reconnection is rarely instant. Some days will feel closer, others won't. That fluctuation is normal. Strong couples stay steady anyway. In the next lesson, you will learn how to rebuild a trust after conflict or emotional hurt. If you want to strengthen emotional connection without forcing it, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss it. Distance doesn't mean the end. It means attention is needed. Connection can return when safety leads the way. Let's continue.